There are two kinds of annealing. First kind annealing and second kind annealing. First kind annealing does not depend on the phase transformation in the solid state. Slow cooling is characteristic. There are three types of the first kind annealing. Homogenization or diffusion annealing is used to reduce dendritic on intracrystalline liquation, heterogeneity. Recrystallization annealing is used to remove metal riveting, i.e., hardening of steel after cold plastic deformation, for example, after pressure treatment. Stress relief annealing is designed to eliminate the internal stresses that develop in metal in response of the following processes: casting, rolling, forging, or welding. Second kind annealing is intended to change the phase composition of steel. As a result, the grain is crushed, the ductility and viscosity of the metal are increased, the strength and hardness are decreased, which simplifies subsequent machining, for example, cutting and pressure processing. Annealing in this case is characterized by heating to temperatures above the GSK line by 30–50 degrees and very slow cooling, as a rule, together with furnace.